Flax seeds might be small, but don't underestimate their power. These tiny seeds pack a nutritional punch with incredible health benefits. Today on Natural Remedies, we're uncovering 10 reasons why flax seeds deserve a spot in your diet. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health and brain function. They help reduce inflammation and lower heart disease risk. A tablespoon in your smoothie boosts brain and heart health. Packed with soluble and insoluble fiber, flax seeds support digestion and regulate blood sugar. A tablespoon in your oatmeal adds crunch and keeps you fuller longer. Flax seeds contain lignans, antioxidants that may reduce cancer risk and promote balanced hormones. Adding flax seeds to a salad or smoothie helps fight free radicals. The fiber in flax seeds helps control appetite and promote satiety. Mix ground flax seeds into Greek yogurt for a filling, nutritious snack. Studies show flax seeds lower cholesterol and reduce blood pressure, key to a healthy heart. Sprinkle flax seeds on toast or blend them into your smoothie. For women, flax seeds are beneficial due to their phytoestrogen content. These compounds balance hormones and alleviate menopause symptoms. Bake them into bread for a delicious hormone-balancing treat. Lignans in flax seeds may reduce the risk of breast and prostate cancer. Add them to muffins or pancakes for a cancer-fighting boost. Flax seeds help lower blood sugar levels, making them great for diabetes prevention. Stir flax seeds into chia pudding or a smoothie for a low glycemic snack. Rich in omega-3s and vitamin E, flax seeds nourish your skin and hair, keeping them radiant. Use flaxseed oil topically as a moisturizing treatment. The fiber in flax seeds promotes regular bowel movements. Add ground flax seeds to your cereal or baked goods for a digestive-friendly meal. How can you add flax seeds to your diet? Here are some easy suggestions. Smoothie boost. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons to your favorite smoothie. Flax crackers. Mix ground flax seeds with water and spices, bake until crispy. From heart health to glowing skin, flax seeds offer incredible benefits. Start reaping the benefits of these tiny super seeds today. We've added more information on flax seeds in the description below, so if you missed anything, feel free to have a catch-up at your convenience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and recipes. Thank you so much for watching our short film, and we hope to see you again soon.